With the market so negative, guys, it's worth noting some strategies continue to be go-to strategies regardless of what kind of market conditions we are in. We're going to take a second to discuss a few strategies that continue over time to show you promising results when it comes to day trading.
100%. And one of them, as we talk about this, it's literally the one that I should have had today, and there's no questions about it. You know, Carnival Cruise Lines is the example of multi-day highs, multi-day lows, breakouts, breakdowns. In a bear market, you're usually talking breakdowns. But these multi-day levels give you clear trends when they break. You had CCL breaking 13. Let's forget about that. But you had the daily chart breaking this huge shelf at about $11. And once it had done so, it is pretty clear what you were able to see what it got through that price. It got down 50 cents, nice little round number. You got another breakdown. It got to $10. It rejected $10. That turned into a short every single time it touched it. What level do you think was next? 950, multi-day break. The new low was down around 950. Breakdown in the morning through 950. Absolute flush through that price. So once it took out that first floor, it was just every multi-day break after that. Now, everybody remembers this in the other direction, right? The last few years when it's been a bull market, you remember when you get these multi-day resistance levels and a couple of days in a row, take that breakout trade, find that support at that price, look for the next one and just up, up, up. It just so happens in a bear market, a lot of these are coming into the downside, and you ride the trade until the trend breaks. So it's all about these multi-day level breaks, using that to confirm a trend, and then allow the next one to form, set up, and break the shelf to the downside. Sometimes it's not that complicated, right? Go out and find significant levels on a higher time frame, but just understand that once it happens once, that's now the trend that you're looking for to continue. It's a quick trade. You would have been in and out of this one this morning in a matter of minutes with a quick little almost 5% return. It doesn't get any easier than that. But you know what I say it's easy? You don't see my execution on there because I was too busy being fancy in more complex ideas instead of a very simple one. It's true.
Yes, no, it is true. I mean, that's the part of it when you're trading too many names, I think, and that's sort of what I was going to get to right now with my strategy idea here. And that is that, you know, we're coming in today, you're seeing the NASDAQ getting absolutely pummeled, right? You're going to look here on my sticky note, you know, with conviction here. We had Amazon short. We like the short. Actually, on my sticky note today, Baba, we talked about 105 short. We like the AMD long, and then there's a small cap stock on there for you, SIDU. But the idea was Amazon short. Why? And it's just simple. We had Fed raise rates yesterday, right? That's going to be a problem for the consumer. You know, more expensive mortgage payments, car payments, any sort of variable, anything you have, loans. I don't need to explain all this to you, but the idea here behind the strategy is find a name that you've seen weakness. This is Amazon coming into the split, a beautiful move back up, all the way up to 125. And this is what I'm talking about. It went 20 to 25% in like 5 to 7 days there to the upside. Then all of a sudden, it's just been dripping lower. So Neal talked about key levels. That's going to work here on Amazon too. But just the name itself, Amazon, we wanted the short, trade the short, and then this is what I've been doing today. You know, we came in, did it get to that 107 level that I showed? No, it didn't. But we shorted it right away early. We should have shorted it again up here, but then look at this bounce back that just happened. A nice little retracement back to VWAP, and we just stood there and took 2 shorts into that, and then as the market continues to fade, wow, big time, Amazon is now multiple dollars into the money here on some of these trades. So my key thing here is, you know, why am I messing around with, you know, here's AMD long, right? The market's tanking. What am I doing? Here's Apple long. That we got out of that one real quick, right? Here's Meta long. Like, these are all ins and then outs very, very fast, but look what's really been printing. These are multiple dollars here in the money on Amazon. So I feel like the best strategy to do, stick with an idea like that you can wrap your head around. Neal had a good example there with CCL. You know, get an idea that you like and don't get distracted with sort of that noise. If the market's going down, which it is, Find shorts that you like for a reason and go with those, Brendan.
Understand the overall context of the market and then break it down into very simple, easy concepts, guys, that the best part gives you a way to control risk. If nothing else in this environment, we have to maintain discipline and control risk, regardless of what the strategy you are using. Couple great ideas there for ongoing strategies, guys, that continue to work.